Picture this, the mouth-watering aroma of barbecue delights wafting through the air. But ever wondered how sustainable your grilling practices are? Welcome to a revelation where grilling meets sustainability. This is about making a difference, one grill at a time. It's time to rethink the traditional grilling methods that have been long-standing contributors to environmental degradation. Charcoal grills, for instance, release a significant amount of greenhouse gases. Propane grills, while a cleaner alternative, still contribute to fossil fuel consumption. The good news? Sustainable alternatives are here to transform your grilling experience. Enter the world of sustainable grilling gadgets. These are not just environment-friendly, but also designed to amplify your grilling prowess. First off, we have the solar-powered grill. Harnessing the power of the sun, it reduces reliance on non-renewable energy sources. Next, the biofuel grill, designed to use renewable resources like corn or wood pellets, significantly reducing carbon footprint. And then there's the electric grill, a cleaner and more efficient alternative to its gas and charcoal counterparts. The beauty of these gadgets lies not just in their innovative design, but also in their contribution to a greener planet. Scene script. But the star of the show is the hybrid grill. Combining the best of all worlds, it offers flexibility in fuel choice while maintaining high energy efficiency. These gadgets are a testament to the fact that grilling can be an eco-friendly affair. They bring together the joy of grilling and the satisfaction of making a positive impact on the environment. So, turn a new leaf in your grilling journey. Embrace these sustainable grilling gadgets and make every grill count towards a healthier planet. Remember, every small step matters, and while you're at it, don't forget to share your experiences. We'd love to hear about your sustainable grilling adventures. Also, feel free to dive into our other videos on sustainable living. After all, a greener planet starts at home. And until the next time, keep it green, keep it clean. Happy grilling.